Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best spigot washer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a leak-free and efficient water system. Whether you're dealing with a garden hose, an RV, or even a complex plumbing setup, ensuring you have the right washer can prevent frustrating drips, water wastage, and potential damage, making it a small investment for significant peace of mind and system longevity. Number 5. Primula Half Moon Glass Teapot. Experience superior craftsmanship with this teapot, made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass. Its comfortable handle and clear viewing allow you to brew your tea to perfection. Enjoy a pure tea experience thanks to the fine mesh stainless steel filter. It keeps loose leaves out of your cup, allowing full flavor to develop. The filter is also removable for special teas. Pour with confidence using the drip-free spout for safe and easy serving. The non-slip silicone base adds extra stability, preventing accidental spills. Brewing is simple, just add your tea in hot water, let it steep to your liking, and enjoy. It's designed for effortless preparation and enjoyment. Cleanup is a breeze. This entire teapot is dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time after you've enjoyed your brew. Beyond loose leaf and tea bags, it's perfect for blooming teas, or even infusing fruits and herbs for refreshing waters. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen. What we like. This teapot offers exceptional quality and a premium filtration system. If you are looking for a brewing experience that allows for crystal clear viewing and full flavor development, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who enjoy loose leaf teas and want an easy-to-clean, multi-purpose brewing solution. What people say. The spigot washer is made of durable rubber that fits snugly. It effectively prevents leaks and drips from the spigot. Easy to install and provides a secure seal. Number 4. MINGLE Brass Garden Hose End Cap 4-Pack. Introducing the MINGLE Garden Hose End Cap. This essential accessory is designed to fit any 3/4-inch male garden hose thread. It also doubles as a water spigot cap, providing a secure fit for your outdoor faucets. Keep your water supply protected and prevent leaks. Crafted from solid brass, this cap boasts heavy-duty metal construction. This ensures maximum durability and strength for long-lasting use. Never worry about leaks again. We've included 12 replacement garden hose washers to easily fix any issues caused by missing or old washers. This convenient pack includes 4 brass garden hose end caps and 12 extra washers. It's everything you need for a reliable watering system. What we like. This spigot cap is made of solid brass for maximum durability. If you need to cap off a 3/4-inch garden hose thread or spigot and want a heavy-duty solution, this is an excellent choice. The inclusion of extra washers is a great bonus for ensuring a leak-free seal. What people say. This set of 4 3/4-inch hose end caps, with suitable gaskets in each, do the job intended with no apparent leakage. The brass material and shiny finish is handsome in appearance and should be resistant to corrosion. The machining of the parts is of a quality nature. Fits outdoor spigot and the extra O-rings will provide plenty of lifespan. I was surprised when these arrived. These are very thick and heavy. They screwed on easily and fit well. Since putting it on, no leak. Number 3. AQUACREST Inline Water Filter for Outdoor Cleaning. Tired of stubborn water spots ruining your car's shine? Our advanced inline filter is here to help. It effectively softens water, preventing those unsightly marks after washing. Unlike basic filters, ours features an upgraded composite design with superior resin. It tackles harmful elements like chlorine, heavy metals, and sediments, ensuring your car's paintwork stays protected. This filter works with your detergent to boost cleaning efficiency. Its 5-micron aperture removes impurities, delivering quality water for a spotless finish on your car, windows, and yard. Designed for all your outdoor cleaning tasks, from car washing to yard maintenance. It's a cost-effective alternative to expensive car washes, saving you money while delivering great results. Stop spending a fortune at the car wash. Our filter offers a more economical way to keep your vehicle looking its best. Enjoy long-lasting, clean, and hygienic use with its upgraded formula. Installation is a breeze. It perfectly fits any standard 3/4 garden hose thread. Get ready for clean, fresh water that protects your car's paint and makes your yard look beautiful. What we like. This inline water filter is specifically designed to reduce hard water spots and soften water for outdoor cleaning tasks. If you frequently wash your car, windows, or yard and are tired of mineral deposits, this filter will significantly improve your results. It's a cost-effective way to achieve a spot-free finish. What people say. Super easy to attach, just screws in between the hose and spigot. Noticeably reduces water spots after rinsing. Great for use in the final rinse stage on darker paint colors. Number 2. Danco 80790 Flat Washer Assortment. Introducing the Danco 80790 Flat Washer Assortment, designed for quick opening style faucets. This pack contains 10 assorted flat washers and 4 screws. Crafted from tough, flexible rubber, these washers ensure a long-lasting and reliable seal. They are built to withstand regular use. Experience a positive shutoff every time with these high-quality washers. They provide a secure and leak-free performance. This convenient pack includes everything you need for faucet repairs. It contains 10 assorted flat washers and 4 screws. Weighing only 136.08 grams, this assortment is lightweight yet highly effective. It's a practical solution for your faucet needs. What we like. This flat washer assortment is designed for use with quick opening style faucets. If you're dealing with a leaky faucet of this type and need a durable rubber washer for a positive shut-off, this pack is a practical solution. It's ideal for quick repairs around the house. What people say. These washers served a dual purpose. They are the perfect spacers, so I didn't have to shop for shorter screws, and their soft texture is protecting the 71-year-old glass. We really like the assortment as you never know exact size until you pull faucet apart. I have using these gaskets and love the results. A kit like this is a joy. You can match it up until you find the right one. It even comes with replacement screws, which helped me a lot. Number 1. HELIFOUNER 800 pieces 9 sizes white nylon flat washers assortment kit. This kit offers 800 pieces of nylon flat washers in 9 common sizes, from M2 to M12. You'll find the perfect size for almost any project. Crafted from high-quality nylon, these washers are built to last. They resist corrosion, wear, and high temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. These washers are designed to reduce friction, prevent leaks, and secure fasteners. Their nylon construction ensures they won't rust, providing long-term durability. Everything is neatly organized in a transparent, labeled case. This makes it easy to identify and select the exact washer you need, saving you time. Ideal for a wide range of uses, including automotive and electrical applications in homes and businesses. They are a practical addition to any toolkit. We are here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us for professional support within 24 hours. What we like. This is a comprehensive assortment of 800 white nylon flat washers in 9 different sizes. If you need a variety of washers for electrical connections, automotive applications, or general household repairs, this kit offers excellent value and convenience. The nylon material ensures corrosion resistance and durability for long-term use. What people say. The Spigot Washer is a perfect fit for my faucet, stopping the annoying drip. Easy to install and has held up well so far, no leaks detected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.